Audio Jungle.
Dear students, in the previous classes we discussed about structure of neuron, classification of neuron based on structure, function and presence or absence of myelin sheath and transmission of nerve impulses from one neuron to another neuron. In this class, we are going to learn about the three different divisions of nervous system and the structures involved in the protection of brain and spinal cord. The nervous system is an extremely complex communication system that controls the vital functions of the body. Human nervous system is differentiated into central nervous system CNS, peripheral nervous system PNS, and autonomic nervous system ANS. The CNS acts as center for information processing and control. It consists of the brain and the spinal cord. The brain is the controlling center of all the body activities. Spinal cord is a cylindrical structure lying in the neural canal of the vertebral column or backbone. The second division of the nervous system is peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system is formed by the nerves arising from the brain and the spinal cord. The PNS connects the brain and the spinal cord to all the parts of the body. The third division is autonomic nervous system, ANS. ANS is also called as visceral nervous system and it regulates the function of internal visceral organs of our body. ANS controls the involuntary functions of the visceral organs such as heart, lungs, etc. ANS comprises two antagonistic, that is opposite sets of nerves, the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic and parasympathetic systems enable the body to perform rapid and specific visceral activities in order to maintain steady state. So far we have finished the topic 3 divisions of the nervous system. Next we are going to learn about the structures involved in the protection of brain and the spinal cord. The brain and the spinal cord, being delicate vital structures, are well protected in bony cavities of the skull and the vertebral column respectively. The brain and the spinal cord are covered by 3 connective tissue membranes known as meninges. The 3 layers of meninges are 1. Dura mater, 2. Arachnoid membrane and the third one is pia mater. Dura mater is the outermost thick fibrous membrane. Arachnoid membrane is the middle thin vascular membrane providing web-like cushion. Pia mater is the innermost thin delicate membrane richly supplied with blood. The brain is suspended in a special fluid environment called cerebrospinal fluid (CSF). It also fills the central canal of the spinal cord. Cerebrospinal fluid acts as shock absorbing fluid and protects the brain from damage when it is subjected to sudden jerk. CSF supplies nutrients to the brain. It collects and removes waste from brain. CSF is also responsible for maintaining a constant pressure inside the cranium. Thank you, students. We can meet in the next class with another topic.